Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Wednesday, December the 2nd. Let's jump to our news reports this morning. What do we have on the docket? We, of course, have ADP non-employment information. We just received that. It came in much lower than expected. We also have the Fed chair speaking once again beginning at 10 in the morning, so be very careful with that. And, of course, the rest of the week, until we get unemployment claims and the unemployment rate. So keep your eyes open for that jarring information that we are expecting from these upcoming reports. Let's look at our daily chart, and where do we begin this morning? With all-time high at 3677.50, which we broke yesterday. Market's coming off just a little bit of a sell-off off the area there. Pretty good volume yesterday on the upside, which is really impressive. We did have over 1.3 million contracts, which are average. We're averaging a little over a million, and our ATR is a little bit lower at 58. But the market, in a sense, is giving us some pretty good movement, as long as we know where to place our stops. And that's always the key to survive in this game. Let's take another deeper look at the market here on another time frame here. Remember, we had spoken about earlier last week about this particular range here, this particular support and resistance box here. We broke briefly below it. We spoke about this, a potential target here on potential retracement to this level here. We nailed it. Look at exactly where it lands. We had talked about this resistance. Former resistance acted as support on a pullback. Here it is, nailed it to the cent right there. Market uses that as support, continues to move higher, creates a new opportunity zone here in reference to an uptrend to the upside. So we have this shorter term one, and we also have this long term one. But that's where we find ourselves coming off the all-time highs. Market can retrace all the way back to this level here. It seems to be a very important price level. There's a lot of buying and selling happening in this area here. Anything below that obviously will be coming to this to retest this particular area here. That's our north-south line for today. That's where the market's going to hold if it's going to continue to the upside. Otherwise, expect more movement down and potentially another retest of this particular support level, which at that point will have great confluence with this uptrend line. So to keep an eye open for that. Reference to trades in the immediate perspective, let's look at our analysis chart here. Here we are below the intraday low. This is the intraday high, which we established the all-time high. Here's the intraday low. Market clearly breaks below it. Here you see the market compressing. Market clearly breaks behind this particular trend line here. It's holding support here. It's holding resistance here against the intraday high. And the market can potentially come and retest this area down here once again as a support level. So this is our clear resistance area. Here's our clear support. And if you look at it this way, market breaking down, finding support. Here's our proof, our resist support. Here's our resistance. Market can potentially oscillate between these two areas, but the true movement is going to happen break on either one of those two directions. So be patient today and make sure you place your stops in the correct place. Take care and have a great trading session.